The Spanish Armada of 1588 was one of the most significant naval battles in early modern history. It was a grand attempt by King Philip II of Spain to overthrow Queen Elizabeth I and restore Catholic rule in England. However, through a combination of strategic defense, naval superiority and favorable weather conditions, England successfully repelled the invasion. Background of the conflict. By the late 16th century, tensions between Spain and England had reached a boiling point. Philip II, a staunch Catholic, saw Protestant England as a major threat to Catholic Europe. Additionally, England's support for the Dutch Revolt against Spanish rule and the aggressive piracy of English sailors, such as Sir Francis Drake, further fueled hostilities. In response, Philip assembled a massive fleet, known as the Invincible Armada, to invade England. England's defensive strategy. England, though facing a formidable enemy, had several advantages. The English Navy, under the leadership of Lord Charles Howard and seasoned commanders like Drake, relied on smaller, faster ships that could outmaneuver the cumbersome Spanish galleons. Key factors in England's defense. Raids and disruptions. Before the Armada set sail, Drake led a daring raid on the Spanish port of Cadiz in 1587, destroying ships and supplies. This delayed the Armada's departure and weakened its strength. Superior naval tactics. Unlike the Spanish, who relied on boarding enemy ships for close combat, the English used long-range cannons to damage the Spanish fleet from a distance. The use of fire ships. On July 28, 1588, the English set fire to old ships and sent them into the Spanish fleet anchored at Calais. This created chaos, forcing the Spanish to scatter and break formation. The role of weather. As the Spanish retreated northward, they encountered violent storms in the North Sea, which destroyed many of their ships before they could return to Spain. The aftermath. The defeat of the Spanish Armada was a turning point in European history. England emerged as a dominant naval power, while Spain's influence began to decline. The victory also strengthened Protestant rule in England and cemented Elizabeth I's reputation as a powerful and effective ruler. Though the Armada was not the last conflict between England and Spain, its failure demonstrated the importance of naval strategy and marked the beginning of England's rise as a global maritime empire.